Good afternoon, students. Agro-based industries. Second industry in the syllabus is cotton textile. India is one of the largest cotton textile manufacturing countries in the world and is the largest exporter also. Cotton textile industry is the most important industry because it provides employment to large number of people. It directly or indirectly support more than 40% of country's labor force. Cotton textile industry is divided into two sectors, power loom and handloom sector. Power loom means where it is mechanized, work is done with the machines, and handloom where work is done manually. The most important cotton mills in power loom are located in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Handloom industry is located in every Indian state, however small it may be. Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Kanpur, Delhi and Howrah are important centers. Rajasthan, Kerala, Punjab, Bihar, Assam are other important states. Next topic is the main cotton manufacturing centers. The cotton textile industry is one of the most widely distributed industry in India. Means it is distributed all over India. However, its major concentration is in the cotton growing areas of India, especially in drier western parts of peninsula and Great Plains. Maharashtra and Gujarat are the foremost cotton textile manufacturing states. In Maharashtra, Mumbai, and in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, they contribute about 50% of total installed looms. And nearly half of India's cotton mills clothe. You know, girls, Mumbai is known as cotton polis of India. Why? Because it is the most important center of cotton textile in the country. It is also known as Lancashire of India because it is the premier center of cotton textile and 63 cotton mills are located in and around the city. So it is known as Lancashire of India. Similarly, Ahmedabad in Gujarat is the second largest cotton manufacturing city in India, is known as Manchester of India. Why is known as Ahmedabad known as Manchester of India? Same reason, because it is also center of cotton textile mills and many mills are located there, and Manchester name was given by two industrialists. Mumbai and Ahmedabad has emerged as the most important cotton manufacturing centers because of few reasons. These reasons are, first of all, proximity to raw material. As Ahmedabad and Mumbai, they are located in black soil area, means Maharashtra, Gujarat. Black soil is available which is best suited for cotton production. So, cotton is grown in abundance, therefore, raw material is in abundance. Then climatic conditions. For cotton textile industry, humid climate is best because humid climate favors the thread. The textile can be made without breaking the thread if the climate is humid. So, the industry was set up on the coast. Then transport facilities. Mumbai and Ahmedabad are well connected through rail and road links with cotton growing areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat, and also through sea routes with the foreign market. So, both taking raw material to the mill is easy by the transport, and then finished product to the market is easy because of the transport facilities. Next is port facility. Mumbai is a leading port with export and import facilities, whereas Ahmedabad utilizes port facilities from Kandla. The location of ports facilitates import of capital, goods, chemicals, etc., and the export of finished goods. Next point is labor. Labor is most important in each and every kind of industry. Therefore, labor is available from within or nearby states. Capital. Without money, industry cannot be set up. So, Mumbai and Ahmedabad are the financial and commercial centers of the country, have easy access to capital and financial resources. Large number of banks and other financial institutions exist here. Therefore, they provide loans and other credit facilities to the manufacturers. Next is power. Power is of utmost need for the development of any industry. Cotton mills in Mumbai are supplied electricity by the Tata hydroelectric system located in the Western Ghats, whereas electricity is supplied in Gujarat by Ukai and Kakrapara hydroelectric projects. Next is market. There is huge market for the cotton cloth in these states as well as in the southern and coastal areas of the country. Because of the hot climate which prevails in these areas, demand for the cotton cloth is high. Besides internal demand, huge market for Indian cloth exists outside the country also, especially in the Middle East, countries which are located comparatively near to Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Next are the problems of textile industry. As we discussed, in sugar industry, each and every industry is having some or the other problems. So here also, first problem is of shortage of raw material, shortage of specially long staple cotton, which is met from Pakistan, Kenya, Uganda, Sudan, Egypt, USA and Peru. Then industrial units are sick. They are because of uncertainty of raw material, they are not working constantly, and low productivity of machines and labor, increasing competition from power loom sector, lack of modernization and management problems. These sick units require heavy financial investments for the replacement and modernization of the machines. Many of these sick units have been taken over by the government. Then there is loss of foreign market because our industrial units are sick, modernization is not there, productivity is low and fluctuation in the supply of raw material. Therefore, not able to meet the competition in the market. The Indian cotton textile industry has lost some of the foreign market because of continued increase in the cost of production and the development of cotton textile industry in the number of other Asian countries. So demand has decreased. Then inadequate production. The cotton textile industry faces inadequate production. Why? Because of the lack of adequate and unfailing power supply, and also because of competition with the decentralized sector. Decentralized sector means handloom sector. Next is shortage of power. The cotton textile mills are facing acute shortage of power. Supplies of coal are difficult to obtain and frequent cuts in electricity and load is not proper. Therefore, machines are unable to run. Then machinery is very old, obsolete machinery. In India, most of the cotton textile mills are working with old and obsolete machinery. According to an estimate, in India, over 60% of spindles are more than 30 years old. The automatic looms account for only 18% of total number of looms in the country against the world average of 62% and 100% in the United States. So, obsolete machinery results in low productivity, poor quality of goods which are unable to meet the market. Thank you, girls.